Okay, so I think it was about a week ago, my car tried to do a firmware update and it failed. Don't know why, but this morning I woke up and it said it had an update available, and it's done it, and I've now got Sentry Mode. So I'm on version 9, 2019.8.5. This is a 2017, is it 2017? Yeah, 2017 Tesla Model S with the hardware 2.5. So we're going to try out Sentry Mode in this video and see what it looks like on a Model S, because I don't think I've seen many people talking about it. Right, so this update is a few things. Changes to navigation. I seem to get this multiple times. It's just be general updates and improvements they're making to the navigation system, but this is the thing that we're really interested in, Sentry Mode. So the ability to continuously monitor kind of what's happening around the car when you've left it, which is really good. And then also now the dash cam feature also will record from the side cameras as well as the front cameras, so that's good. I had dog mode already. If you're not familiar with dog mode, basically when you leave your dog in the car, you can kind of set the temperature and it leaves a little message on the car screen so people know you're not being cruel to your animal. So let's try out Sentry Mode, see what it looks like on the Model S and how it works and how effective it is. So I'll have this camera on the inside of the car so you can see the main screen here, and then we have the video on the outside as well, so you can see what everything looks like. Okay, so a couple of things about Sentry Mode. Obviously it does utilize the battery, so it is going to impact range a little bit. So it's a balance of, you know, power consumption over security, and so the battery has to have at least 20% in there or more. When Sentry Mode detects some things, it's obviously going to start recording, and if it feels some disruption, then it's going to set off the car alarm and play stupid loud music, and then also send a message to my phone. So you can see basically what's happening here, and it also will be sending some footage to Tesla. So obviously if you have a card failure, you know, where it's stored in the car, hopefully they can recover the information from you. So when you turn on Sentry Mode, you do it from one or two places. Here in the safety and security screen, you have this option here for Sentry Mode, and then it's also available in the app. When you go into controls, you can see down here Sentry Mode is available, so you can obviously then turn that on remotely. So we'll enable Sentry Mode and let's see what happens. Okay, so Sentry Mode is on, car's locked, and I've moved the keys away. So the way Sentry Mode is supposed to work is it's going to utilise the side cameras in the repeaters, as well as the cameras in the front and the ultrasonics in the car as well. So as I move around the car, like I'm looking in a little bit suspiciously, we can see straight away that the HAL has come on to the screen. So Sentry is activated, so it is now recording from the side cameras and the front cameras. Nothing from the rear right now, so we don't see any of that, but we should see me walking around the car in this footage. So that came on really fast. So I'm actually quite impressed really that someone, you know, if you're looking into the car, that's what's kind of going to happen. So now let's see if we can simulate if someone was going to attempt to smash the window or do something. So try and rock the car off something maybe. Okay, so nothing happening with just, I guess, light touching. Okay, Sentry Mode's now, oh, and now the lights have come on. So the lights flash very briefly when Sentry Mode comes on, so that must be an initial kind of warning that Sentry Mode has detected something. So we're going to be trying cause some disruption to the car. So if someone, I guess we're trying to work out if someone was to bang into the car, is that going to set the alarm off, or is it really only going to be if someone has smashed the window? So I'm not getting anything to sound the alarm right now. I think it's going to take too much force to make the alarm sound without obviously causing some proper damage to the car, which I don't want to do. So unlock the car, put the window down, then allow Sentry Mode to come on. Then obviously if I put my hands in there or something, I'm hoping the ultrasonic sensors will then detect motion and then sound the alarm and play some mega loud music. Right, so in true English UK weather fashion, it's now started to rain, so I'm hoping we get some results here. Sentry Mode has been activated. I'll put my hands in the car and nothing's happening right now. Yeah, what's happening? Well, that's interesting. I thought the car had deadlocks. So I feel like Sentry Mode is good for, you know, like a dash cam replacement, but it isn't very good as. Okay, I think you can see the car alarm has been triggered. So I think it's cool as like a dash cam replacement. Not so sure that you should have to do so much to be able to get the alarm sound, but yeah, there we go. That's dash cam on not dash cam, Sentry Mode on a Tesla Model S. With hardware 2.5. Okay, so in the interest of completeness, just done a little bit more research online, and it seems that maybe it takes kind of 2 to 5 minutes for the alarm and the ultrasonics to kind of properly arm themselves. So I'm just going to finish up the video with now I've left the car locked with the passenger side window open for about 5 minutes. So now we're going to see if Sentry Mode detects, and then when I open the door, if the alarm and everything starts going crazy. Let's try and open the door and see what happens. Okay, the alarm did sound straight away. Okay, it's better, it works, just have to use it properly. So, good job on Sentry Mode. Still not sure why there's no deadlocks on a Tesla, but there you go. Sentry Mode on a Tesla Model S with hardware 2.5. Thanks for watching this video. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.